Hi everybody, today we're going to take a look at this mobile eyewear recorder. Let's see what the box says. Mobile everywhere recorder. Life full of its brilliant moments. With this eyewear on, you will never let any single memorable scene sneak away from your life. Let's see what it has here. Make everlasting. Highlight. Quality Polaroid lens from brand makeups. User-friendly operation button for easy control. With extended memory slot for TF micro SD card. Easy connection with PC laptops, no driver needed. Built-in 2GB, 8GB memory for as long as 5 hours video recording. Pretty good. Sleek and elegant design suits for both men and women users. Real-time recording. Never let memorable moments sneak away from life. A must equipment and highly recommended device for journalists, traffic police, travelers, and etc. I will be etc. with RC videos. Let's see what it has here. Some pictures of action. And what it's showing here. Polaroid lens, the smallest camera for hidden. And over there, let's show okay, made in China. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Here's my cute assistant, Whoopi. Say hi, Whoopi. Okay, so it comes with a nice hard case, zipper, and it has a clip so you can put it on. And inside, they even give you a cleaning cloth. So here's the USB cord, and it is a mini USB, not a micro USB. And over here, we have the glasses. I bought all this from gearbus.com. I can post a link in the description. So let's see. I'm supposed to link this with instructions. So here we go. User manual for HD sunglasses camera. So it has the camera, the on off button, the more button, indicator button, micro SD, and 5 pin USB, and microphone. So let's see what it has here. Product information, elegant design, operating blah blah blah. 2 keys description, on off, mode change, record video, take a photo, PC camera. Let's see here, got a good shot of my fingers. Let's go. Let's see here, removable disc, record. And I thought this was supposed to connect with an app, and I'm trying to find where it talks about the app. Nothing on the back. Battery sufficient. Troubleshooting. Movable disk. So it doesn't really say anything here about downloading an app, because I thought it would be streaming stuff. That's kind of strange. Off camera. So Well, I'm going to look into this a little bit further and see if we can download an app. If not, I will do some recording with it and post that along with this video. Okay, so basically I found my order here on GearBest to see what I actually bought, because I thought I had purchased the Bluetooth one that connects to the phone somehow. So this one doesn't seem to have that Bluetooth feature. So what it does say here is that it's upgradable to 32 gigs with a TF card. You can connect it to the PC laptop with no driver needed. And it has built-in lithium. You can record video for an hour. Standby time is 130 to 150 minutes. And the picture is 720 by 480. And the frames per second is 30. So I guess what I was thinking at the time was that you know, just buy this and test it out and see if that's something that I can actually start using for my videos, and then maybe upgrade to a better one for 4K or 1080p at least. So we'll do some recording and see how this goes.